Today we will show you how to register for classes via banner. Hello everyone, my name is David and I serve as the Student Sentinel on our ASNNMC Student Senate. So first of all, you have to go to nnmc.edu. When you are there, you can find My ASNNMC in the top section right here. So click on My ASNNMC. It will take you to a site with some important information about student system and important information for students. So in this case, we want to look for banner system. So in this section, important information, you want to click on the first link, log into banner. Click on that and it will take you to a secured area of login. And what you're gonna need is your user ID, which is the Eagle ID, the number that you are using anywhere on ASNNMC. It's usually 4 leading zeros and some numbers. So you're gonna need that, and your PIN should be your date of birth. So 6 digits, okay? I already have mine here and I will log in. So it will take you to this main menu. We want to go to Student and Financial Aid right here, okay? Here it says apply for admission, register. So we want to register, click on that. And here first, registration. So we want to register for classes, click on that. And in the registration section, you can see multiple choices. We want to do registration, add, drop, change, or withdraw classes. So click on that. And here you have to see that there is a financial responsibility statement because you are going to do something that may affect you financially. Okay, so you have to click on accept financial responsibility and submit. Select a term. So we are looking for spring 21, submit. And in this section, as you can see here right now, I can see all the classes that I'm taking next semester, spring 21. But if you are not registered yet, you will probably see nothing right here. But we want to change that. We want to register for classes. So we're gonna go to class search right here, class search, click on that. And now we have to figure it out what class are we going to take next semester, what classes we want, okay? So I'll pretend that I want chemistry, okay? So I'll click on chemistry and go to course search. It will find all the chemistry classes and it's in multiple segments. So let's say we are looking for introduction to chemistry, okay? So click on view sections and here it will give you all the sections of introduction to chemistry. So be careful to choose the right class that you need and you want. You can make sure that the CRN number is correct to the class that you are looking for. The course number should correspond as well, the section, and most importantly, look at the credits. Okay, so this class is a 3-credit course. This is a 3-credit course. This is a 1-credit course, as well as the last one. So it will probably be 2 classes of introduction to chemistry and 2 labs because of the credits. And here it says in the title, Introduction to Chemistry and Introduction to Chemistry Lab. Okay, so let's say I want to take Introduction to Chemistry and 1 lab. So I'll click on select here, and then I will click on register and they will appear on your list and you are going to be registered for them. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you are going to have a wonderful semester, spring 21, successful semester, and stay tuned for more content from our ASNNMC Student Senate. Good luck. See you next time.